Have you ever wished you could create an AI version of your own voice? In this video, I'll show you an amazing tool that lets you clone your voice in just a few minutes. Whether you're a content creator, storyteller, educator, or business owner, this can save you time and help you create more content effortlessly. Let's get started. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications bell so you don't miss more AI tutorials. Alright, have you ever wanted to clone your voice and you don't know how to do it? So I'm going to show you how to clone your voice with a free AI tool which gives you 10,000 credits. 10,000 credits. Okay, you can use it as much as you want. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So what you have to do is to go to your Chrome browser or your Google browser. Now when you go to your browser, you're going to search for MiniMas audio. Yeah, so you have to wait until it's done loading. Now this is MiniMas. Now before using this AI tool, you have to sign in with your Google account. Now once you sign in, they are going to give you 10,000 credits. Yes, 10,000 credits. So I'm going to click here and sign in. I'll choose a preferred email of my choice. So let me use this very email. Now I have successfully signed in. Can you see the 10,000 credits? Now this is the 10,000 credits. This is 10,000 credits. Okay. Now what you're going to do next, you're going to see text to speech, music generation. Yeah, text to speech, music generation. Now when you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see original audio clone result. So this is where you clone your voice. Okay, you can as well design your voice. This is voice design. Create any voice you can imagine from simple text description. Okay, now remember we came here to clone our voice. Okay, so I'm going to click on try now. Now this is where you upload your already recorded voice. If you have a voice that you have recorded using your smartphone, you can go back there. You can click on here, add, just click here, select media picker and choose your voice that you've already recorded. Now if you don't have one, you can as well record your voice here. It's very simple. So I'll click on record here. Now I've clicked here. You can just click on it and listen to it. If you've been trying to clone your voice and you do not know how to clone your voice, okay, so this is the one which I recorded here using the record audio. Now they are going to display something like this, English. So if probably you don't want English, you can just click here and choose if it's Arabic or Chinese or Dutch, French, German, Indonesia, Italian, Japanese, Korea, Russia, Spanish, Turkish, Ukraine, like so many languages. There are so many languages here that you can actually use to clone. So right now I'm using English because that is the one I'm going to use. Okay, now we're going to select I confirm that I have all necessary rights and authorization to upload this voice samples to generate AI content, and I reaffirm that I will abide by the terms and condition, by the terms of services, and refrain from using any generated content for illegal or harmful purposes. Okay, so you just click here. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on generate. Now we are going to wait so that our voice will be generated. Yes, so this is it. Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you and let's begin our creative audio journey together. Have you seen that? This is my clone voice. Can you see the similarity? It sounds alike. Okay, so my voice has been cloned. I'm going to click on confirm. Then you are going to use any name you want for this. I'm going to use Coach Mira AI. Then you can choose the, like I told you previously, you can choose the language that you want. Now I use English. So if you have any preferred language that you want to clone your voice into, you can, choose it there. They are going to see select gender, female or male. So choose the one that resonates with you. Then here says this type to describe this voice. So you can just describe whatever thing you want to describe here. All right. So let me describe the voice. Okay. So after this, I'm going to save it.
Hello. I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
Can you see that? So what you're going to do now is to click on use. It's going to be added to the text to speech. Using this minimas, you can clone your voice and also use the text to speech that is here. In case you don't want to use your clone voice, you can as well use series of text to speech that are here. So now, since you've added it now, it's now part of the voiceovers. The voice artist is now part of it. Okay, so we're going to try out something and see if it's going to work. So I already have my my test, so I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so all right, so now this is my test. As you can see, this is my test. This is my test. Now if I want to use it now, what I'm going to do is to click on generate. So when I click on generate, you're going to check out if it's actually clone my voice. Okay, as you can see, we have 10,000, so I'm going to see how many credit is going to be deducted. So I'm going to click on generate. So let's wait and see the result.
Have you ever wished you could create an AI version of your own voice? In this video, I'll show you an amazing tool that lets you clone your voice in just a few minutes. Whether you're a content creator, storyteller, educator, or business owner, this can save you time and help you create more content effortlessly. Let's get started. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, follow this page, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more AI tutorials, content creation tips, and powerful tools that can help grow your brand. And that's how you can clone your voice using this incredible AI tool. Pretty amazing, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment below and let me know what other AI tools you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Can you see how beautiful this AI tool is? Something else. It's something else. And now you see, we had 10,000. Now we now have 9,117 credits. Have you seen it? So what you have to do is to click here and select whether you want it to come out in MP3 or WAV. So just choose the one that resonates with you. I'm going to click on MP3 to download it. Now this is very, very easy. If you want to clone your voice, if you're into African folktales or whatever thing it is you are into, you don't need to stress yourself. Just clone your voice, come over here, paste your script, and it's going to read just like you are the one talking, just like you're the one narrating the story. Okay, and now if you want to generate more, if you want 10,000 AI credit is exhausted, all you need to do is to click here. When you click here, you can just log out and sign in with a new Gmail account. Then the voice that you've recorded in your phone, you can just upload it and use it and start generating again. You can just do that, and you can use it to generate as much as you want. As you can see, I've generated a lot. Now I still have 8,524 credit for free. So utilize this opportunity and create as many voice as you want and clone your voice. And that's how you can clone your voice using this incredible AI tool. Pretty amazing, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, share this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification. Comment below and let me know what other AI tools you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.